Who doesn't like the taste of chocolate and whiskey? Spicy rye, luxurious chocolate, it's a natural pairing. Today's a riff on the classic Manhattan, except we are making a chocolate Manhattan. A Manhattan is one of the oldest cocktails out there, originating from the 1860s, and it's made with a few ingredients. Our first thing we're going to use is bitters. For this one, of course, we're going to use chocolate bitters, and I'm going to use 2 dashes. We're going to follow that up with the next ingredient that goes into a classic Manhattan, and that is sweet vermouth. And I'm going to use 1 ounce. Now here's where we take a little bit of a turn on it, and we're going to use a crème de cacao. Now they use a white and a dark. They make it 2 different ways. It really doesn't matter with this one because we're using dark liquors in there. But today I'm using white, 1 ounce. And that's got this amazing chocolate aroma in there. Well, we're almost down to the stretch. I've got 1 ingredient left, and that is rye whiskey. Now rye is a whiskey, but it's spicier to it. That rye just gives a little bit of a pepper taste to it, which really accentuates that chocolate. 2 ounces. Now, if you say, oh, I don't like rye, go ahead and use whatever whiskey that you like. It's really about your taste. What we need to do now, because there is no ice in the glass on this one, is we're going to stir it to chill it. So we'll put a lot of ice in there. Now what we're going to do is use our spoon, and we're going to mix that up. If you take the back of the spoon and put it to the outside of the glass, you just kind of roll that spoon between your fingers. And about 30 to 40 spins on that, and that starts to chill that down. We're going to get a little bit of dilution in there, but we're making it nice and cold. That should do it. Now what I'm using is a Nick Nora glass, and I've had it filled with water and ice, and I'm going to chill that glass down. As once again, there is no ice in the cocktail, so that chilled glass is going to keep it chilled a little bit longer. Let's dump this out. Chilled glass, a nice strainer. We're going to use a julep strainer, pop that on the top, and we simple pour. Well, I did say it's a Manhattan, and there's 1 last ingredient that goes in a classic Manhattan, and that's our garnish. And we're going to use in there 1 nice, beautiful cocktail cherry, and all you need to do is drop it in the bottom of the glass. And that is today's cocktail, the chocolate Manhattan. Let's give this a taste. Ooh. We've got that nice peppery, delicious whiskey that comes through on there, that Sazerac rye. We've got the smooth taste of the crème de cacao in there, and the chocolate bitters just kind of gives it a depth in there. This one is one that you're sure to enjoy. Cheers, everybody.